For the next few days, limited time, you will get access to a CELPIP 15-hour course. And if you don't see any improvement, just ask for a refund. It is completely backed by our money-back guarantee. With this course, you get not only the materials for all the 4 modules, you get 15 hours of recorded sessions, instructions, tips, tricks, strategies, everything you need to pass this exam. You will also get sample marking feedback from other students, why they get a 7 versus a 9 versus a 10 in their writing and speaking. You will get to understand how examiners mark, what they're looking for. You will also get the templates of writing and speaking in the written format. You'll get every strategy, tip, and trick listed. You'll get materials on all the 4 modules, which are worth hundreds of dollars, provided to you just in this package of $49, which is usually $79. That's why I said it's a limited time offer. For $49, you get prepared for your exam, whether it is 2 days later, whether it's 2 weeks later, or 2 months later. This will be the holy grail of everything you need for your preparation to upgrade your skills. And if you have failed a few times, you know now coaching is important, but you don't have time, you're working, you're busy. This course is self-paced. You can complete it in a day, you can complete it in a month, however you like it, and you can replay it as many times as you want. All you got to do to make sure that you are successful is, number 1, click on the link in the description. Check it out, or click on this video if you're seeing this as an ad. You'll get access to this course. Once again, it is money back guarantee, so there is no risk for you if you buy this course. If you don't see any improvement, just ask for your money back, no questions asked. Now, I want you to get this access. In the next point that I want to say is, make sure you do everything the teacher is telling you to do. Marco Polges, he's the instructor in this video series. He has been getting students 9, 10, 11, time and time again. He's one of our best instructors, great track record of success. The only reason you will fail, I promise you this, is if you don't follow the instructions. All you got to do is follow the instructions. Go ahead and buy this package. Save yourself another $300 you would spend on rebooking or reevaluation, and tons of weeks you will waste if you keep failing. With this program, you fail no more, and you get everything you need. If you're ever confused about what you need to do for your exam, what is step 1 and what is step 10, this is all in one. Click on the description or click on this video, get access. It's limited time. Get the discount, get the bonus offer, and get ready to get a great score.